Hi dear customers, this is Casey from Guangzhou QQ Company. You're welcome to our Canton Fair booth. In our booth, you can see different zipper. Subject is the whiteys, and this is the Contis meta zipper. Contis meta zipper, it means with 2 way. So if you land the slider from this side over this side, I mean two sides, it's very smooth. So if you want to make a high quality for your bag, if especially for the expensive bag, you want to use the meta zipper, you're welcome to contact us. This is a meta zipper, and here you can see different plastic zipper. This is the standard one without any the shining film on the surface, and look at all this one with the shining film on the surface. You can see this is a rose color, and this is a nickel color. This is a lighter gold color. Maybe you think this is the meta zipper. No, this is the plastic zipper. So let me turn to another side for you. See, you can see this is a plastic, but we put the shining film on the surface, and we put the UV on the surface in order to it can be lined many times. If without UV for protection, the zipper, the film, shining film will go out easily. So if you want to get more details about how many times you can use and can you wash or not, you can contact us to get more details. See, we have many different shape. This is a whitest shape. It looks like a metal whitest zipper. And all these zipper are the nylon zipper from the headwind one, I mean from the high quality and to the low quality. Subject this one is number 5. This quality is 3.6 kilo with 200 meter. But for example, like this one, this is just 2.8 kilo for 200 meters. And we also have the very light one. It's just about 2.22 over 2 over 2.3, 2.4 kilogram for 200 meters. And this is the number 8, and this is number 10. So for number 10, we also have the nylon tape and the larger tape for your choosing. And here you can see our newest model and newest zipper with double layer chain. And here you can see this one is the elastic zipper. We have the elastic zipper tape zipper for nylon and for metal. See, this is a metal. If you want to get more details about all the zippers, you are welcome to contact us. Thank you for your interest. Thank you.